We'll guide you through how to adjust Krita's pressure sensitivity to make your digital art experience even smoother. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Krita on your desktop. Once you're in, go to the top menu and click on Settings. From the drop-down, select Configure Krita. A new window will pop up. Here, look for the tablet section on the left sidebar and click on it. Now, you'll see options related to your tablet settings. Make sure your tablet is connected and recognized by Krita. You should see your tablet's name listed under the tablet tester. If it's not showing, you might need to troubleshoot your tablet connection. Next, ensure that the Enable Pen Pressure option is checked. This is crucial for getting the pressure sensitivity to work. If it's already checked and you're still facing issues, you can try adjusting the pressure curve. This curve helps you fine-tune how your pen pressure translates to brush strokes. Click on the Edit Pressure Curve button. A graph will appear, allowing you to adjust the curve by dragging the points. For a more gradual pressure response, you might want to create a curve that starts with a slight incline before steepening towards the end. You can test these settings by drawing in the provided area in the tablet tester. If your strokes are too light or too heavy, keep adjusting until it feels just right. Once you're satisfied, click OK to save your changes and close the window. Now, try out your new settings on a blank canvas to see how the pressure sensitivity feels with your brushes. Remember, you can always come back and tweak these settings if needed. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.